Yes, sir.
Okay. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
This is Darkness, sir. Welcome you all once again in our online lecture series of artificial intelligence and the robotics. Last time we have studied regarding the one of the algorithm of informed search technique. Like the first one we have studied the best first search, and then we have studied the A star algorithm. Now in the A star algorithm, we have studied how we can get the best out of the best solution as compared with the best first search. Now, one point I want to make you clear here, so that will help us to understand the our next searching algorithm. That is we are going to study the AO star search algorithm. Okay. Now here last time we have seen in the A star searching algorithm, as we are starting from this initial node A, and we have to reach to the which node? Goal node, that is the J.
J.
Okay, here you are we have the two options. You can go in this direction or in this direction. AI agent can prefer this direction or this direction. Okay, and you can see here, even if you go in this direction also, you are getting the solution, correct or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
But the cost of that solution is how much? 14. Correct. AI agent can go also in this direction also, and cost of that solution is how much? 9.
9.
Correct. Means both of these options giving us the solution.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct. But we are choosing the which one out of that, which is the having the less cost.
Less cost.
Correct. But after getting here solution with the less cost, are we stopping here to do the further searching?
No.
No, we are going forward now.
Yes.
Means one, that is the very good property of the A star search is what? Even if you got the solution, we are not stopping. What we are doing? We are proceeding further. We are proceeding further and we are getting multiple solutions. Yes or no? Here we have got the two solutions. Then if you go forward again, you will get the another number of solutions. Okay, here initially 2, then again 2, then again 1, 3. So we are not stopping once we getting the solution, but we are carrying it, we are proceeding further, and we are when we are proceeding further, each time we are comparing our solutions. Understood? And lastly we are choosing the which one is the best out of that. That is nothing but the property of A star search, good characteristic of the A star search algorithm. All of you got the point?
Yes, sir.
Point is what? In case of the A star search algorithm, even if you get the solution initially, we are not stopping at that point, but we are proceeding further, and we are also exploring the remaining solutions, and we are comparing that solution, and which one is getting selected, which is the best out of that solution getting selected. Correct. Keep in mind this property. Now next important one in case of the informed search is the AO star search algorithm. That is our today's point of discussion. Okay. Now before we actually start with the AO star searching algorithm, why it is being called the AO star, etc., etc., first we have to discuss some supporting point for that. Like all of you are very much aware with what is the concept of the problem reduction. Okay, now AO star is also the one kind of informed search that already we are discussing based on some kind of heuristic value. So up till now, we already in the previous subjects also you must have studied what is the strategy of the divide and conquer. What is it? What is the strategy of divide and conquer? Yes. What is divide and conquer strategy? Hmm? Do you got the question? Yes. What do you mean by the divide and conquer strategy?
Sir,
Hmm. Yes.
sir, one problem can split into these sub
Multiple
problems and
problems.
then
And then each of the sub
multiple
problems you are solving independently, means we are getting the multiple sub
independently.
solutions, and then lastly we are combining
Yes,
that
and then
solution as a
combining
whole.
the solutions.
That is the
Yes.
point of the divide and conquer. So as already we know about the divide and conquer strategy, a solution to a problem can be obtained by decomposing that problem into the smaller sub problems. Then each of these sub problems can be solved to get its sub solution, and this sub solution then recombined to get a solution as a whole, and that concept is called as what the also being referred by the another name, that is the problem reduction strategy. Got the point? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
divide and conquer and problem reduction is the same concept. Okay. Now what is that? What we are trying to relate here? Now this particular divide and conquer strategy or the problem reduction strategy, we are dividing the particular main problem into number of sub problems, and to that sub problems we are trying to find out the sub solution, and then lastly we are combining that sub solution to form as a one whole solution. Okay. Now and or graph or this and or tree, now it is used to represent that particular solutions that we are getting. Okay, when you divide the problem into the multiple parts, that is being considered the different sub problems. Now each of that sub problems is going to have some kind of solutions. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So each of that sub solutions, okay, each of that sub problem that is going to have the sub solutions. Okay, now and or graph is used to represent that different kind of sub solution. One important point that you should note down here. What? And or graph is used to represent what? That different kind of sub solution that we are going to get. To represent that, we are going to utilize what? And or graph or the and or tree. This point is understood? Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is the use of and or graph or the and or tree? Use is what? To graphically represent that sub solutions we are getting of different kind of sub problems. Understood this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is nothing but the use of and or graph. For what purpose? To represent the different kind of sub solutions of the problem. Understood? Now, when this representation will happen, we will see in the example. Now this will generate the multiple arcs. Okay, and that arcs being referred as what? The and or arcs. Okay, we will see in that example. One and arc may point to the number of successor node, and all of which must be solved in order for an arc to point to the particular solution. So basically our conclusion here is what? The and or graph is used to represent various kind of complex problem solution. Okay. So AO star search algorithm is based on this and or graph. Okay, that our algorithm that we are discussing, that is the AO star. It is based on what? It is based on the and or graph or based on the and or tree, and that is the reason name given to that is what the AO star search algorithm. You got the point? From the graph, that is the and or, name is given as a AO star.
Star.
This much is understood.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Why it is being called the AO star? Because it is based on the AO and or graph. Understood? We'll see that example exactly what exactly this and or graph. But you need to understand first why this is the name is given to this search algorithm as a AO star, because it is based on and or graph. Okay. Now, up till now we have seen the multiple examples. Okay, where from the initial node we are trying to reach to the goal node. Okay, now like this kind of things we have seen, like this is the initial node, then its sub nodes. Okay, and these all, for example, this is the starting node, and these are all its sub nodes. Now these are nothing but the acting as a, what we can say, different this can be going in this direction can be a one solution, or going in this direction can be a one solution, or going in this direction can be a one solution. That is nothing but the meaning of this particular particular tree. Yes or no?
Yes.
Correct. But now you can see here, now this particular kind of graph is simply called as a OR. It is simply called as what? Which kind of graph? OR graph. Because you can, AI agent can go in this direction, or can go in this direction, or in this direction. Yes or no?
Yes.
That is the reason it is called as what? The up till now, whatever the tree we have seen, these all trees are come under the which category? OR tree, or the OR graph. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So that is I have mentioned here, just as in OR graph up till we have seen, several arcs may emerge from the single node. Several arcs may emerge from the single node. That is 1, 2, 3. These are the number of arcs emerge from this single node, indicating now these several arcs emerging from the single node. Meaning of that is what? It is indicating the varieties of the way in which the problem may get solved. Correct? Yes or no? This
Yes,
number
sir.
of arcs emerging from this single node. Okay, this number of, this one as a one arc, correct? This one as another arc. This is the another arc. Now 3 arcs emerging from this starting node. Its meaning is what? There are the variety of ways, or there are number of ways using which the problem might get solved. Correct or not?
Yes. Yes. Sir.
Yes.
But that is the why that structure we are referring it as the OR graph. Correct? This structure can be, that's how we can refer it as an OR graph. Okay.
Yes.
But in case when, to get the solution, if there is a certain kind of thing is being mentioned here, like this is called as the AND. You are getting, I'm marking here. Between
Yes.
these arc and between these arc, I am marking here one edge between these two. Understood? What does it mean then? You got what I have done here between these arc, okay, and between these arc, these 2 arcs I have joined by one edge. Yes.
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 Then what does it mean? Now how it differing it, or how you can compare the initial part that I have shown you, like this is the starting node, these are the 3 nodes, individuals, 3 arcs, this one, and this one. And I told you, in case of the OR graph, I told you there are the 3 ways here to get the solution: this one, and this one. Correct? But
Yes.
here I have done modification. I have joined these 2 arcs by this one edge. Now what change will happen? What is the meaning of this edge joining these 2 arcs? Now how many ways are remaining here now to get the solution?
Third.
Here how many we are having? 3.
3.
3.
Here how many?
2.
2. Correct. Because this is the one, and this is second combined,
Yes.
because you have combined these 2 arcs. Correct or not?
Yes.
Means
sir.
if you want to reach to the solution, if you prefer this direction, okay, only you have to go through the single arc. But if you choose this direction, you have to choose the both of these arc. You cannot choose this one single-handedly, or you cannot choose this one single-handedly. You have to choose the compulsory both of them. Correct?
Yes.
And that is nothing but the coordinate. That is nothing but this graph then becomes what? It becomes the and or graph. Correct?
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
So when these two arcs will be joined by the one edge, then it becomes the and or graph. Without this edge, it is simply the or graph. Understood? And when you are connecting these 2 arcs by this edge, it indicates if you want to reach to the solution using this direction, you have to explore both of these 2 arcs. Understood? And then it becomes what? The and or graph. Okay. Now let's see now where actually such kind of situation may occur. So in that kind of situation, there is a use of the and or graph. Now, for example, let's check the situation here. For example, now our main goal, I have mentioned here, our main goal is what? To acquire the TV set. All of you are observing it?
Yes.
Yes,
What
sir.
is our main goal? To acquire the TV set.
TV set.
General real life example we are taking. Now, how you can acquire the TV set? Tell me. Do you got the meaning of acquiring the TV set?
We can earn money and buy TV set.
That is the one option, correct?
Yes, sir.
This is the one option. Another option.
Yes, we can steal.
Steal means what?
Chorne.
Sorne. So this is the one way, correct? And
Yes.
this is the another way.
Yes.
But can you use this single way and you can reach to the goal?
No.
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 If you choose this, you have to also
Choose.
perform these also. Correct or not?
Yes.
Means
Correct.
in order to reach to the goal, as you are having the 2 options here, one is this and another is nothing but combining these 2. Correct or not?
Correct.
And this is nothing but the called as what? The and or graph. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is and this is the or.
Or.
Okay. Means as we have discussed how the problem reduction comes here, our main problem was what? Acquiring the TV set, correct?
Yes.
You have divided that problem into the sub problem, this one and this one,
Yes.
and you have got the solution like stealing the TV, earning the money. These are your sub solution, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Means you have to reach to the solution, you have to choose this one or you have to choose this one.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And that is nothing but the concept of what? And or graph.
Graph.
Understood? Now what we have to do here, if you are choosing this one, what is your cost you are getting? Yes. If you are choosing this one to reach the goal, what is your cost? And if you are choosing this one, what is your cost? Okay.
Yes.
And those will give the less cost, that will be your solution. And
Okay.
to estimate that, to do the estimation of that cost, we are utilizing this and or graph. Okay, we are going to search this and or graph. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Concept understood. And or graph means what?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now let's see the further point. Now we are simply going to compare it with A star. Now this kind of situation, how the A star will handle this kind of situation. Okay. Now an algorithm to find the solution in AND OR graph must handle this AND OR area appropriately. Okay, that will see how it happens. Now A star algorithm cannot search the AND OR graph efficiently. Okay, as you have to get the solution using the AND OR graph, it need to be searched in the proper way. But what is I have mentioned here, A star algorithm cannot search AND OR graph efficiently. Now we are going to prove that here. Let's see how we can say A star algorithm cannot search the AND OR graph efficiently. Okay, all of you must be able to see the figure given below.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
now in the figure A, you can see the node A. Okay, if it is get expanded, it is producing the three different nodes B, C, D. Okay, understood. Now at each of these nodes, the heuristic are being mentioned.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, this is the consider it as the value of f, our f of n equal to g of n plus h of n we have seen, correct?
Yes, sir.
So each of these node having the value of f is given here, here 5, here 3, and here 4.
4.
Understood. Now don't consider here these two edges are joined by the these two arcs are joined by this edge. Okay, you have to just imagine here there is a no edge between this C node and the D node. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Now you tell me which direction, according to the A star, which direction AI agent will choose to go?
And
To
there's
which node?
heuristic value.
Which node?
C.
C.
C node. He will definitely choose to go in which node? C node.
C node.
Correct, because it is having the less value of f,
Heuristic value.
less heuristic value. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Mm.
Now consider here one point. Now, as I said, now in case of the A star, we will mark here A star giving us solution as he must go to this particular C node. Okay, but when there is a edge, okay, when there is a edge, you have to choose this one also and this one also. Correct or not?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
A star is choosing only this one according to the property of A star.
Yes, sir.
That's why its value coming is how much?
3.
3.
C.
But
Yes, sir.
the appropriate way of searching the AND OR graph is different. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Appropriate way is what? If you are choosing this C node, you must at the same time you must choose the D node also. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
And let's see then what will happen if you apply appropriately AND OR graph property here. Okay, if you apply the AND OR graph property here, our solution will be different. Yes or no? Let's see how. Now here I have written here 9. Here I have written 9. How this 9 comes?
Addition of C and D. The
That is
heuristic value.
3 plus 4. Then it is the 7.
Mm.
Okay.
7.
One important property I am telling you regarding the AND OR graph, you have to take unit cost as the cost of reaching from node A to its successor, like this. What is meaning of unit cost? You have to take by default the cost 1.
Okay.
That is the meaning of unit cost. What you have to take the by default cost 1 to reach from this node A to the node B, or from A to the node C, or from A to the node D. And that is the reason here you can see for the A, the cost coming is 9. That is the 3 plus 4 plus 2. Yes or no?
म्हणजे एजेसला एक एक व्हॅल्यू राहील
एक value by default. So that's why it will become like this: 3 plus 1, correct? C to A.
Yes.
And also
Yes,
when
sir.
you choosing the C, also you have to choose the D also according to the AND OR graph property.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So it will become 3 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1, correct?
1.
How
Yes.
much it is coming?
9.
9.
9.
Now and we have explore. Now or is remaining.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or value will be 5 plus
1,
1.
6.
1.
is 6. Means
6.
which way AI agent will should go?
Oh,
Means
or
in
graph.
this direction.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
B
Yes.
direction.
But A star is saying what? It should go in this direction.
Hmm.
That is the thing we have proved here. A star algorithm cannot search and or graph efficiently.
Right.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Right, sir.
And same thing we have proved here. Okay. And that is the reason when there is a certain kind of problems where you have to make the choice out of the multiple solutions. In that case, the and or graph or and or search algorithm being utilized. Okay. Now, same thing I have mentioned here. Okay, the point that we have proved that there, same thing I have mentioned here. Okay, so what it is proving that the choice of the next net to be get expand just not depend only on the value, but it depends on whether that node is the part of the current base path from the initial node. Understood? Previously, we have just seen what? We have just here when we are applying the A star here, we are just thinking about 3 here. The value of C node is less. That's why we choose A star will choose this C node. But what actually this property of the our AO stars giving us that only you should not think about the value of node, but you should think about whether that node is the part of the current base path from the initial node or not. Understood? Let's make it more clearer here in the given figure below. Now, if I ask here, okay, in this diagram, if I ask here, applying the A star, what will be your answer? In which direction the AI agent should go? Just by applying the A star, not the AO star.
9C.
ACG.
Right. It will be initially by observing this, you will definitely can say ACG.
G.
Correct. Because
Yes, sir.
G is having the less cost here.
Yes, and G also have less.
Okay. So, but see, but G is not on the current based path. Why it is so? Because if you apply the property of and or graph here, in order to utilize the G, according to the and or graph, you have to utilize the H also.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Because
And if you are utilizing the C, you need to utilize these also because this is being joined.
G also.
And definitely its cost will be more.
Yes.
Yes.
Understood? And that is the meaning of this statement I have made here. The choice of the next node to be expand depend not only on the value of that node, but it also depends on whether that node is the part of the current based path from the initial node. No doubt G is having the less cost, but G is not on the current based path. According to our property of and or graph, yes or no?
Yes.
Understood. So that is the point where here that we have first now compared how the A star cannot search the and or graph efficiently. Okay, and that is the reason to solve the particular problem and the solution which we are representing using the and or graph to get the solution out of that, we cannot use the A star, but we have to utilize there what the AO star algorithm. Okay, now let's see how we are going to do that, how we are going to apply the AO star search algorithm to solve certain problem. Okay, now to solve the problem using the AO star, the 3 important steps we must have to follow. Okay, you just keep in mind these things we are going to apply to solve the problem. Okay, first thing is what? traverse the graph starting at the initial node, following the current based path, and accumulate and gather set of nodes that are on the path that not yet been expanded. Simply means
Expanded.
what? You have to just start from the initial node, and you have to see which one is the best path, okay, to reach to the solution, and that path you have to go on expanding. That is the meaning of first statement. Then you have to choose the best unexpanded node and expand it, add its successor to the graph, and compute the value of f for the each of them. Okay, we'll apply this, then you'll get the clear idea. And last important point that is should follow here: change the f estimate of newly expanded node to reflect the new information, and for that purpose you need to propagate backward through the graph. Okay, now you will not understand here what exactly it means till we get the, you will see the solution. Okay, so what it is saying, once you find the value of f of certain nodes of that AND OR graph, again you have to move backward. What you have to do? Move backward through that graph. Okay, and you have to check the value initially we have got, they are getting changed. If they are getting changed, then according to that change value, we have to select which is the best path to get the solution. That's why I mentioned here, the propagation of revised cost estimation backward is in the tree is not necessary in case of the A star algorithm. A star algorithm मध्ये आपण value backward propagate करतो का?
नाही.
Right.
But that has to be done in case of the AO star, that we'll see how it is being done. And this is because in AO star algorithm, in the AO star algorithm expanded, we need to do the re-examination. That is the one important point here. In case of the AO star, we need to do what? We need to do the re-examination. That re-examination is done by how? By propagating the value backward side. Understood? Using that, the re-examination get done. And from that re-examination, the current best path get selected. Okay, let's apply this in the example. This is the example we have to solve. Now first you tell me how many solutions available here. How many solutions are available? Okay, this is the decomposition or reduction of one particular problem according to the AND OR graph. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And its solutions are being also get decomposed, correct?
Yes.
Now, what is my question? Then how many solutions you are observing here?
2 solutions only.
2 solutions, correct?
Yes.
One is the this and another is the this.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Now our point of discussion here is what? Out of these 2 solutions, we have to choose the best.
Yes.
Yes.
Correct. That is what we are doing. And for that purpose, only AO star search algorithm is being utilized. Correct or not?
Right.
Yes, sir.
That is what we are discussing. AO star search algorithm using the AND OR graph. It is used to represent the solution of the problem, and then it help us to decide which solution is the best solution. Correct? As here we have decomposed the solution in the 2 different subtrees. Correct or not? This is the one. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And this is the
Yes,
another.
sir.
Yes.
Understood. Now here we have to make the decision, or AI agent has to make the decision which one is true by applying the AO star search algorithm. Okay. What initially I said, you have to start from this node. Correct? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Then what is next has to be done? After that, let's see the statement what we have discussed. First point, traverse the path starting at the initial node. Okay. And following the best path, accumulate the set of nodes. So we'll do the traversing. Okay. So you can traverse in this direction and or you can traverse in this direction, correct or not?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's see, if you traverse in this direction, what is the value of f we are getting? Okay. And if you traverse in this direction, what is the value of f we are getting initially? Now tell me, if you traverse in this direction up to this point, tell me the value of f.
So Q
Six.
पर्यंत 6 होईल.
हा,
आणि इकडे R पासून जर गेला इकडे ट्रॅव्हर्स झाला तर तो 12 होईल. आणि जर इकडे S पासून गेला तर तो 9 होईल.
so you tell me the what will be the cost of going in this direction and what will be the cost going in this direction. Combinedly, you tell me. In this direction, how much it will be? 8 plus 1.
9.
It will be 9.
9.
Yes, sir.
In this direction, you tell me
6.
6.
6 only.
18, sir,
18. Who
combined.
said 18?
18.
Yes. 18
Two
na. If you want to go in this direction, you cannot choose simply the Q. You have to choose the R also.
Okay, both addition are required.
That is the AND OR graph property says na.
Okay.
So it is the 5 plus 1 plus 11 plus
Plus 1.
1, that will be 18 here. And now you tell me now which direction AI agent should go now?
9. Yes,
In
sir.
this direction, correct?
Yes.
And that is the same thing we have mentioned in the statement also that we have written. After that, what we have to see now, after that we have to see the successor of this S, means you have to explore the S. Okay. So successor of S are the W and X.
X.
Okay. Now here at this point also we have to calculate what will be the value at this S. What will the value of S? So you know, to get the value of S, what you can do? 1 plus
8.
1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 3. That will be 8. Means 8 is getting correct.
Yes, sir.
Understood. Now we have reached to this last point, terminal node. These are called as the terminal nodes. Okay. What our algorithm says, start from the initial node, then calculate the value of f at this node and going which direction where you are getting the less value. So here we are getting the less value in this direction. That's why we choose go in this direction. Next, algorithm suggesting us when you go to the next node, also explore that node. We are explore the S to the W and X, correct? And that point also you need to estimate the value of S, even it is being given. Again, you have to estimate that we have estimated here, that is also coming same as 8.
Yes.
Understood. Now we have reached to the terminal node, correct? Now when you reach to the terminal node, AO star search algorithm says we need to do the back propagation of the values. What?
Back traversing.
Back traverse means you need to do the backtracking here.
Yes, sir.
And that main aim of doing the backtracking here is nothing but doing the re-examination.
Okay.
Got the point? The
Yes.
point lastly I told you, AO star suggest what? Okay. All of you get join again.
Yes, sir.
Okay, going in this direction, we have calculated the estimated value of P here 18, and going in direction, we have calculated it as a 9, correct? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then, as I said, when you reach to the next node, this is our next node, you have to estimate its value also, that we have got 8, correct?
Yes.
And now we have reached to the terminal node. What
Yes,
the
and
AO
that-
star search algorithm says, to get the best path, you need to do the re-examination.
Yes.
And how we are going to do the re-examination? By back propagating the values.
Backtracking.
Okay, so when you back propagate the values, again we have to do the estimation of value of this node. That will be same 3 plus 1
1 plus 3
plus
plus
3 plus 1, correct?
8.
18.
Yes, sir.
Means new value that we are getting after re-examination is 8.
Yes.
Now this you have to discard and new value you have to update. Correct?
Okay.
Even it is changing or not changing. Again you have to backtrack from this point also.
Hmm.
So that will be 8 plus,
Plus 1.
that will be 8 plus 1, that will be 9. So this initially we have evaluated that will get discarded and newly get updated, that is the 9.
Yes, sir.
Understood? And then that is nothing but the best solution we have got here. Understood? Because once you compare this 9 with 18, definitely 9 is better. Understood?
Yes, sir.
And that's why we should go in this direction. Which direction? In this direction only, instead of going in this direction. Understood? Now what difference here I want to tell you, AO star algorithm, once it find a single solution, okay, once it find the single solution, it does not explore all the solution. You are getting?
Hmm.
Initially, according to the initial suggestion, we go in this direction and we have got the solution, correct?
Yes, sir.
But what is about this part?
Hmm.
In A star, are we doing like this? No. In A star, even if you got the single solution initially, we are go on searching, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
But in case of the AO star, it is not recommended to do that. And that is nothing but the one of the drawback of AO star search algorithm. Because as you have got the 9 value by going in this direction, and then you are stopping at that point. Okay. But now here our solution is what? We have to reach this point. Okay. All of you understood one point. Where we have to reach? This point, our main goal. See the what I have shown you initially. The in case of the AO star, slightly different is what? This is our goal, and this is our sub goals. Correct?
Yes.
Means by choosing out of this one any sub goal, you have to reach to the goal. Correct?
Yes.
It is not like that. This is our initial node, and these are the some nodes are given, and that you have to reach any of these. Okay, it is slightly different from that. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Here, by
Yes, sir.
referring this given sub solution, you have to reach to the main solution or to the main goal. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And here as we have discussed, here we are getting the value 9, and here we are getting the 18. And even if you back propagate also, we are getting the value 9 only, correct?
Yes.
And what the AO star recommending does not, you should not explore the solution once you get the single solution, correct?
Hmm.
And we are calling it as one of the drawback of the AO star. Okay,
Yes, sir.
we have to prove that whether it is the drawback or not, correct?
Hmm.
And you have to prove that we will go on searching in this direction also.
Yes, sir. A
You
star.
know, to just prove that it is the drawback of the AO star. You are getting?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you go in this direction, okay, here, okay, as up to reach up to this point, we have got the value as 18. Okay, now next this node and this node also need to explore, correct?
Hmm.
Okay, if you explore this node also, it will like 1 plus 4, 5. Okay,
Yes. 5.
and if you explore this, it is the 8.
Yes.
Okay. Now we have reached to this node.
Hmm.
You need to explore this T also.
1
Correct.
plus 1, 2.
Now, if you explore this T, what is the value of T will be get changed or not?
चेंज होईल ना सर. बॅक ट्रॅकिंग आपण जर केली तर
Backtracking केल्यानंतर काय होईल? This will be 1 plus 1
2.
and this will be
2.
get updated.
2.
That is the 2.
By 2.
Correct?
Yes.
Now, once you get, you need to backtrack these values. Correct or not?
Hmm.
Now, even if you backtrack, it is correct. Okay, it is 8. Understood?
Hmm.
But if you backtrack this, how much the value of Q?
3.
It will be 2 plus 1.
3.
Means this will get discard and it will become how much?
3.
3. Again, you need to backtrack.
4. 3
So
plus 1,
what
4.
will be the value of P will become now? 3 plus 1. Okay. And again, now here R, we forget to explore the R. R get explore. Now what will be the, this 11 will get changed to what?
2.
2. Now 3 plus 1, this 3 plus 1 and 2 plus
1,
Total 7. 3.
total will be
7.
7,
7. So this 18 will be get discard
Yes, sir.
Yes.
and will be get update to what? 7.
7.
And that is the, here we have proved that the property of AO star search algorithm saying what? Once you get the solution, does not explore all the solution. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because even if you just stop after getting this solution of 9, there are the chances here that we have proved we may get the less value than the 9, that is the 7.
Hmm.
And in that case, AO star is not giving us the optimal solution. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Which one is the better solution out of this 9 or the 7?
7.
7. But AO star has given us the solution, correct?
Yes.
But that solution is 9.
Yes.
yes,
Is it the best?
No.
No, best is 7.
7.
And that becomes the disadvantage of the AO star. That here we have mentioned. It is complete. Complete or not?
yes,
Even if it is giving you the at least one solution, it is complete. That's why we have said advantage. It is complete. Is it taking us to the infinite loop?
yes.
No.
It will not go.
No, sir.
Infinite loop मध्ये जाणार का आपण नाही जाणार?
Nine.
Less memory is requiring.
Yes.
But disadvantage what? Is it optimal?
No.
No.
We have proved it. It is not optimal. Yes or no?
Yes.
Why it is not optimal? Because it does not explore all the paths once it finds a solution. I hope all of you now got the clear idea.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And that is nothing but the AO star search algorithm as compared with the A star
Yes, sir.
search algorithm. Okay. Now,
Okay, sir.
depends on the situation, the A star and the AO star can be get utilized. When you have to choose out of many given solution, one solution you have to choose, then the AO star search algorithm, you can see it is how it works as compared with the A star algorithm. But we cannot apply the A star to solve the certain kind of problem where and or graph has to be get searched. Yes or no?
Yes.
If you have to find out the solution where the and or graph has to search, their A star algorithm cannot work properly. There, which algorithm we have to utilize? AO star search. Correct? And how the AO star search does the searching, that we have discussed. Okay, its advantages, disadvantage, etc., etc. Understood all of you?
Yes, sir.
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 Okay, once again you should go through the video and ask me any doubt if you have. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Okay, that's it from the today's lecture. Thank you all of you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.